Urgent hiring for Japan, poultry processing for male and female. Ang interview date po ay March 26, 2024. Male or female, single or married with at least 1 year experience as butcher or chicken chopper, at least high school graduate. Sa babae po ay 20 to 30 years at sa lalaki naman ay 20 to 35 years of age. Ang handler po ay si Jemeline Pea Villaruel. Ang contact number po niya ay 0917-621-0057. Pumunta lang po kayo sa opisina ng Prudential Employment Agency, 2nd and 3rd floor, Manahin Corporation Building, number 70, Gloria Diaz Street, BF Resort Village, Talon 2, Las Piñas City. Ang mga kailangan nyo dali na requirements ay updated resume, valid passport, latest PSA birth certificate, high school diploma or college diploma, 6 pieces, latest 2x2 ID pictures, E-Reg and PEOS certificate at ilagay sa long brown expanding envelope.